Good morning, everybody. I'm Trucker Matt. And that's Buster. And that's Biscuit. And she's probably more excited about tomatoes and onions than New York steak. And I'm sure we're gonna get flack. Oh, dogs can't eat onions or tomatoes. Well, she's a pretty healthy girl and she loves things. And the whole point of life is to have joy. So she gets a bite of tomato every now and then and it brings her joy. We're doing good. Heck, we could drink poison if we believe it's not gonna harm us in Jesus' name. It won't harm us. So she can eat a tomato or two. Anyway, I'm Trucker Matt. And this is a tomato sauce hack. Tips and tricks with the tomato sauce. And, no, it's just an idea. I'm still gonna add, whatever kind of sauces and paste. Doesn't matter, but this is just to spice it up. And then I'm gonna grind these. These are a little bit defrosted, but frozen they work in the grinder better. But I'm gonna just sear them just to give them more roasted flavor. Roast all these. Add them to the sauce. I'll probably grind 2 big guys with those. Another trick when you're grinding, save a couple onions to push through your grinder last. That way, push all the meat out. Any waste left in the food grinder, the meat grinder, it's just a little bit of onion. You get all your meat. But yeah, we're gonna go make some Irish tomato sauce, roasted. Irish Guatemalan tomato sauce. Anyways. Hey, whether you're having a hot one, a cold one, or making sauce, go out there and do something for the Lord today. God bless.